some bread here. Come on. Come on, come on. I'll put it here. Come and get it. Meow.
Here's Jenny. What did you get? Did you get yourself one?
Yeah. Because buy two is like £1.85, and their ice cream sucks. They only have like this type. And
What's wrong with Magnum?
well, they only have this, and there's not much
Selection.
Yeah, so just get one.
Yum yum.
Yeah.
I want to use the water thing because my window wipers are no more with water. Oh, see, it's like very pathetically doing it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Can you just move over a little bit so that thing can...
Yeah, we'll see.
Hi guys! We are out. As you can see, we're driving. Oh well, not me driving, Neil's driving. We're going to Ikea, or you want to say it as Ikea, whatever. It's just the same. Well, we're going there to did I just cover the thing? No. Where's the okay, it's fine. Anyway, we need to go Ikea to get something like the organizer. What's the thing called?
Space saver.
Yeah, something like that. The clothes organizer that you can. They have a lot of what is it?
You put it in the wardrobe.
Yeah, put in the wardrobe, and there's 5 to 4 layers of things, so you can put the stuff in it. And then after that, we also need to get a clothes hanger, because we need a lot of hanger because I have a lot of clothes. So yeah, just want to show you. Today is a very, very sunny day. Since the day I reached UK, it's been raining all day long. So it's good. Finally, I see sunlight. Woohoo! Too bad I don't have. Yeah, it's good to have sunlight.
Some like you.
What?
You said see some like you.
Did I? So too bad I don't have laundry to do today. I already done my laundry yesterday, but yeah, it's good. They say it's gonna rain today, but there's not much rain going on today, which is good. And yep, so we will talk to you when we are in the Ikea.
Yeah. We'll go left.
Go left.
Go left.
Where are we going?
Left.
Ikea! We finally reached.
McDonald's?
After almost 1 hour, we reached here. It's quite a long journey to just go to Ikea.
1 hour. What's that? Fridays.
Thank God it's Friday.
Thank God it's Friday.
I haven't been to this restaurant actually. Have you?
What? No.
Thank God it's Friday. Footwear.
Ikea's behind it, so how do you get to that?
I don't know.
Tesco.
Home Plus. What do you mean by Home Plus? Meaning they sells a lot of home thingy?
Yeah, electricals, clothing. It's just like can't explain it to you really. It's like
Why not?
You know what's that place called again?
What?
Walmart. It's like Walmart. It's like the Walmart of UK.
Ah.
In the UK.
Okay.
Furniture Village.
They have lots of big department store here. They got Toys R Us, they got Tesco, they got John Lewis.
Is this the one?
John Lewis, if you can see there. And yeah, we still find our way to go into Ikea's car park.
Apparently this is the way to the exit, which is always interesting.
So, yeah.
It was nice visiting. Now we're leaving. Bye!
We're going up to the roller coaster by the car.
My tires are squeaking.
Do, 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 do.
Hello!
Woohoo.
Why is there no one here?
Exactly. Why is it no one here?
There's zombies inside.
What the fuck is that?
This is the music they play before the zombies come out. And then you get a crowbar and
You watch too many or play too many zombie game, I guess.
No, I don't play enough zombie games. I don't even have a zombie game.
Well, you have been watching Tabasco and this blue something station to
Bluesy Force.
yeah, bluesy whatever. Play
Yeah.
too much of the zombie game and but it's hilarious.
Huh?
Hilarious.
Shopping mall, I think.
What shopping mall?
This big arc thing.
Whatever, we just need to go to Ikea. Let's go.
What are you doing, Jenny? Looking in Ikea. Ikea.
We need to go and make payment.
For the stuffs. What the hell?
Awesome. Cool, huh?
Picture video one.
Video?
Yeah.
How's the ice cream?
It's alright. Not as good as Magnum's.
But it's soft though.
Yeah. Softish.
We got the same one.
Cameras all over the place. Jenny has food. Yum yum.